Oh.
Hey, Junior, you want to see
Some dead guy.
I'll bet you $5 that I can poop.
Dead guy.
I bet you can't.
Yes, I can. Abraca. You ready, Junior?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Hey, Daddy, I'll bet you $5 there's not a man in the kitchen.
Okay, I'll bet you $5.
Hey, Daddy. What doing?
Good morning, Jeffy. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Jeffy, are you hungry? Chick-fil-A!
Wrong.
Chef BB!
Junior, why are you screaming in slow motion?
Because I don't want you to eat that egg, Chef BB! But I lost one!